6 foods that naturally cleanse the liver. Your liver is an important part of your body. It purifies the blood from toxins, stores minerals, and vitamins to redistribute through your body. Do you know that your liver is exposed to toxins that can damage it? Don't worry, because we will give you a list of 6 liver cleansing foods. 1. Green leafy vegetables. Green leafy vegetables contain chlorophyll. It is an assimilative pigment that can absorb toxins. It also purifies the blood from heavy metals. 2. Citrus. Citrus fruits are not just rich in vitamin C but can also stimulate your liver and synthesize the toxic materials into substances that can be absorbed by water. Citrus fruits also help to protect your liver from injury through reducing inflammation and protect the cells of your liver. 3. Garlic. Garlic contains sulfur that can activate liver enzymes to help your body flush out toxins. It also contains selenium, a micronutrient that increases the natural antioxidant enzyme levels in your liver. Selenium helps your liver to fight against damage due to oxidative stress. 4. Green tea. Do you love drinking tea? Then, the green tea is for you. It contains plant-based antioxidants called catechins that can improve the function of your liver. 5. Avocados. Avocado is a superfood that can assist your body to produce glutathione. It is a compound that can cleanse your liver from harmful toxins. 6. Apples. Apples contain pectin that can cleanse your body and flush out toxins from your digestive tract. With this, the liver can easily handle the load of toxic on the cleansing process. Do you want to cleanse your liver and keep it healthy? Then, you must include the top 6 liver cleansing foods that we have discussed earlier. Take care of your liver.